Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with regular recipe. Mostly we all are confused of what to prepare every day. Something that is quick, easy and good for everyday bhoga offering. Well, why not prepare a wonderful curry? So today let's prepare cluster beans and potato sabzi. This easy and quick sabji has a wonderful flavor of masalas and freshness of beans. The crunch of peanuts gives the curry a nutty and creamy texture. This is a healthy and filling sabji to serve in any meal of the day. So let's get started. First take 500 grams of cluster beans or Gavarphali. Wash and cut them into medium long pieces and take 2 diced potatoes, transfer them into a cooker. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 and half cups of water. Now cover the lid and cook it for 2 whistles on low flame. It has been half an hour. The cooker has cooled. Let's check. You can see here cluster beans and potatoes have boiled well. Keep it aside. Next take 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame seed and 1/4 cup roasted peanuts. Make sure to roast them before using. Take a mixie jar, add 1/4 cup roasted peanuts, grind them coarsely. This is ready. You can see its texture. Keep it aside. Let's prepare the masala paste. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala or you can use kitchen king masala also. Add half a cup of water. Combine all this well. With this our masala paste is ready. Keep it aside. Let's prepare the sabji. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan or kadai. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing. Saute all this on low flame only. Add the masala paste that we have prepared. Mix and cook it for 1 minute on low flame only. After 1 minute, add 2 tomatoes puree. Mix and cook it until oil releases. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. You can refer it. Add salt if required. You can see the oil has released. Now add boiled cluster beans and potatoes along with its water. Add 1 tablespoon roasted sesame seed and coarsely ground peanuts powder. Combine all this well. We have shared many sabji or curry recipes previously and you can find all in Sabji recipes playlist, which link has been shared in the description box below. Cover the lid and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, mix it once. No need to cook more because we have already boiled the vegetables. And you can adjust its consistency by adding some more water. Our cluster beans and potato sabzi is ready. Garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves and turn off the flame. Here I am serving it with plain rice and green tomato chutney. You can serve it with fulka, roti, paratha and puree also. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Srila Prabhupada says, by such action, by eating food that has been offered to Krishna, not only are past sinful reactions in the body vanquished, but the body becomes immunized to all contamination of material nature. If you like bhoga offering recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga offering recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.